Now, this is the sign for colors. So, which color is this? Black. Hair is black, right? Why do you think that this is the sign for black? Yes, because our hair is black. But few people have white hair. Then, few have brown hair. How are you going to say that this is black color then? Then how will you justify black? But it is Indian sign language. Okay? This is the sign for black no matter what color your hair is. Brown. Red. Why this? Why do you think this is the sign for red? So someone here is saying lipstick because of red lipstick. Do you put lipstick? Do you apply that? Okay. Orange. Her name is Arti, and orange and Arti are two different signs. Do not confuse. This is orange. Why do you think this is a sign for orange? Deaf are not supposed to be answered. How? Why do you think that is the sign? How sun is the answer? We all know orange as a fruit. Yes? When we remove that, many people squeeze it in eyes, right? So that is the reason this is the sign for orange. Now this is yellow. Why do you think this is yellow? Or this also can be the sign for yellow. Either ways, this or this. Why do you think this is the sign for yellow? No one here is able to answer this. Why is this the sign of yellow or this is the sign of yellow? So someone there replied it is haldi. So yes, that person is right. We all are in India, right? And how come you all forgot? Indian culture कैसे भूल सकते हो? सब लोग ऐसे ही उड़ जाना चाहते हैं. यहीं पे रहो इंडिया में. Yes, it is because of haldi. Green. Green. Why do you think this is the sign? No ideas? It is again about Indian culture. We know that Muslims have this color, right? So that is the reason the color is green. Have you seen people outside? They have some culture of beating themselves, something like that. That is the reason. And they have green sheets. So that is the sign. This is the sign for green. Dev chose science by looking at lot of things and perspectives, and then the signs are made like that. So, Blue. Okay, so we all will fly away, right? This is the sign for blue. Pink. Pink. This is pretty understandable, right? Girls have that, that is fine. But boys don't, right? Do boys blush? Or they apply blush? But cheeks turn pink, red for girls, right? I haven't seen any, she's saying. I've seen girls. Maybe boys will have to apply it matlab, by themselves, then only it will be visible. Grey. Black and white mix. Basically, grey is what? A mixture of black and white. नहीं नहीं पीछे वाला. Why was that the sign for white? Why? We need to brush every day. है ना? Is that so? Okay. अब आपको ये सारे कलर्स याद है? What is the sign for black? Brown. Red. Orange. It is with 2 fingers and a thumb. Yellow. Green. Blue. It is with index finger and thumb. Pink. Okay, so the name is wrong. Sorry about that. Grey. And white. Okay, perfect. So this is the sign how we clap in sign language. We wave your hands.